Is it ever happened that you are trying to sleep for long and your mind is full of thoughts and distractions and you are searching for a good, nice and deep sleep? Then you have came to the right place. Watch the video till the end and I will give you 3 tips that will help you to have a great sleep. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, finish your dinner at least 1 hour before your bedtime. If your stomach is full, it might distract you from your sleep. Second, switch off all the screens and displays at least half an hour before your bedtime. The screens and display of your mobile phone, TV affects your mind and make your mind full of unnecessary thoughts and ideas. The last and certainly not the least, keep your mind empty. Don't allow any thought to come to your mind. I know it is quite tough, but you will master it by practicing. The best way to master it is meditation. Half an hour of meditation before sleep is very effective practice, not only to create great sleep, it also helps to train your brain to work efficiently. It helps your brain to act more attentive and effective at all stages of your life. That's all, guys. Guys, this is my first video and I am apologizing for my mistakes. If you like it, then subscribe this channel, like the video, comment on it.